fight. I carved your name where stars collide. My soul, your home, nowhere to hide. God created me just to be yours. Just to be yours. I hold the moon in my trembling hand, a wish, a vow, a promised land. No roses fade beneath my gaze. Oh, eternal haze. God created me just to be yours. Just to be yours. Through storms, through skies that bleed, through shadows where the lost hearts bleed, I will stand, I will sing, I will soar. God created me just to be yours. God created me just to be yours.